Today we talk about how can you disable order updates notifications on your Walmart app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, just go down, click here on account down here. So then when you click on account, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. You will find here communications, just click on it. So then you click here on order updates, just click on it. Here can you disable it for reserve your SMS text or for notifications, just click in this sign or this color. And here you disable it for SMS in here for your so for your notifications, then it's going to disable with you here. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.